Have you ever wondered what those sleek, futuristic looking components on sports and Formula cars do? They are not just for show, they are the part of revolutionary technology known as active aerodynamics. In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of active aerodynamics, from its purpose to its mechanism and its profound impact on overall car performance. Welcome to our channel. Today we are diving deep into the cutting-edge technology that's transforming the automotive industry, that is, active aerodynamics. Let's start by understanding its purpose. Active aerodynamics are not just about making cars look good. They serve a crucial purpose in enhancing performance, stability, and efficiency. At high speed, these components dynamically adjust to optimize airflow around the vehicle, reducing drag and increasing downforce. Imagine driving on a racetrack at blistering speed. Active aerodynamics comes into play, adjusting spoilers, flaps, and diffusers to keep the car glued to the road, providing maximum grip and stability through corners. But how do these components work? Let's take a closer look at their mechanism. Active aerodynamics utilize sophisticated systems that can adjust various components in real time based on data such as speed, steering input, and even road conditions. For example, a rear spoiler may tilt upward to increase downforce during high-speed cornering, then retract to reduce drag during the straight-line acceleration. Similarly, air vents may open or close to optimize cooling and minimize turbulence. Now that we understand how it works, let's explore different types of active aerodynamics in a sports car. Here are some different types of commonly used or researched active aerodynamics in a sports car. Active spoilers or wings. Location: typically located at the rear of car. Mechanism: these spoilers or wing can tilt or adjust their angle of attack based on speed, cornering force, or driver input. Purpose: this increase or decrease downforce to optimize traction and stability, especially during high-speed cornering or braking. Active diffusers. Location: found underneath the car, usually at the rear. Mechanism: active diffusers can change their shape or angle to manipulate airflow and optimize downforce generation. Purpose: they enhance the effectiveness of the car's underbody aerodynamic, increasing downforce and reducing drag. Active ducts or vents. Location: positioned on various parts of the car, including the front, side, or even rear. Mechanism: these ducts or vents can open or close to control airflow and manage aerodynamic drag. Purpose: they regulate airflow around the car to improve cooling, reduce turbulence, or adjust downforce level as needed. Shark tail, also known as shark fin or vertical stabilizer, is a distinctive aerodynamic feature often seen on modern racing cars like Formula cars. Location: the shark tail is typically positioned on the rear of the car, rising vertically from the engine cover or rear wing end plates. It extends the upward, resembling the dorsal fin of shark, hence its name. Purpose: stability. One of the primary purposes of the shark tail is to enhance the car stability, especially during high-speed cornering and directional changes. By disrupting and controlling airflow, the shark tail helps minimize lateral movement and yaw, keeping the car more stable and predictable. In conclusion, active aerodynamic is not just a feature, it's a game changer in the world of automotive engineering. This ability to dynamically adjust aerodynamic feature is stabilizing the way we experience high-performance driving of cars. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the fascinating world of active aerodynamics. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content on automotive technology. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for more.